Hey, Dr. Petersen. My name is Joe Sales Jr., and I'm from NV Digital Solutions, a marketing agency. I know this video is a little different, but I happened to be doing some research on chiropractors in the Antelope Valley this past week, and I discovered that you don't have a website registered with Google. I also noticed that you have a strong online presence. So congratulations, because it looks like you figured out Google's 3-pack. But I still have some suggestions that you might want to consider, so I figured I would make a quick video and take a few moments to share a couple of tips on how you can continue to beat out your competition online. So let's get into it. The things that I want to discuss are your Google business profile, citations, and reviews. So in order to check out your Google business profile, I decided to put your business name in Google and search that. And so I put an active life chiropractic, and I actually came up with two of them, yours in Palmdale and another one in Redlands. I've investigated the one in Redlands, and I believe that you are not related to them, so I will just speak about the Palmdale address. The very first thing I noticed as I looked at your site is that you don't have a website, and that really sparked my interest in why I wanted to learn a little bit more about what you're doing in your business. I see that your profile is full of pictures and that you have your business time set up. You're taking reviews and you have a strong review scores with 24 reviews. So that's all good. So everything looks good on your profile itself. So the next thing I wanted to talk about, or the next thing that I really looked at with your business, was that your business is outperforming other businesses without having a website. And so when I look at the top keywords that I put in to check out, your area, I learned that your business is coming up in number 2. When I look at under Palmdale chiropractors, when I look at the best chiropractor in Palmdale, you come up as number 2 there, and you come up as number 2 under chiropractor in Palmdale. So I found it fascinating that with 24 reviews, that you're coming up really high. And I think the combination that stands out to me is that you are likely, because you have a 5-star reputation with 24 reviews, that's doing really well for you. And I know the other thing that must be doing well for you is that you have to have a lot of citations for your business. And so in having a lot of citations, that's what the 3-pack is built on. And so you're doing a great job there. So thus far, I've covered all of the main points that I would typically speak about when reviewing your business here. But the thing that I want to add to this to help you continue to improve your business presence is I would definitely continue to work on citations. If you don't have over 200, I would be trying to get to 300 citations in your position. The other thing that I would be doing is I'd be definitely working to get over 100 reviews, because while you have 24 reviews, you're well better protected than a business that has less than 20 reviews, but you'll still feel the impact if somebody puts a negative review or actually even just gives you a 4 out of 5-star review. So you want to make sure that you keep pushing reviews. The best way for you to continue working to build your reviews is by getting inside your business profile and grabbing the review link and making sure that you send that review link to your patients that you currently have or recent patients. And then one last thing that I would suggest, or I would definitely give a lot of thought to in your shoes, is that you can make a website within Google Business Profile these days, if you're not aware. And with the Google Business Profile website, Google automatically is set up to be able to see that you have the website, you have your website information. And so it's definitely going to review the information that's on your site. And what Google is always looking to do is to offer experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness to website visitors and to people searching on the internet. And so having a small website within the Google Business Profile is an easy way to help you build more credibility and more presence for your Google Business Profile. So in review, the things that I would definitely work on is getting your citations up over to as close to 300 or more as you can. That way you'll be sure to beat out your competition. I would definitely continue to push getting more new reviews. And lastly, I would also give a lot of thought to building a website within the Google Business Profile, because you can do it very quickly. I hope you find this educational. If you'd like to know a little bit more about how I could possibly help you outperform your competition, then reach back out. If not, I hope this can be put to work by you and your staff. And please give me some feedback on this video and your thoughts. I'd like to know whether this is something that's worthwhile for business owners to see, because I'm considering producing these regularly coming up in the new year.